Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my CommissionOS review. The newest launch from Dimitris, also known as DPapa. It is launching today on the 17th of July, 11 a.m. New York time. Please check my written review, which is down below in the description box for all of the details to do with the pricing, funnels, features, benefits, and all of that, all of the good stuff, okay? In this review, I just want to show you the members area so you will have a sneak peek of what it is that you would be potentially getting from Sylvia. Right, so guys, it's about CPA offers, how to make money with CPA offers. It's quite a broad idea, okay? It's not only your typical affiliate marketing, making sales stuff, right? That you get like roughly 50% commission across the whole funnel for the offers you would be promoting as an affiliate. CPA stands for cost per action. They also say cost per acquisition. So it's basically you get rewarded if someone takes action, whatever that means. Could be a sale, could be someone playing a game, okay, using your link. Could be someone providing a piece of information, be it an email address, so on and so forth, okay? And so, yes, and Dimitris has put together the whole system around this strategy, this way of making money online. It's loaded with his income proofs, with him testing various platforms. So you will learn about platforms you have probably never heard before that are just waiting for you to discover and take action, okay? Right. Okay, so let me show you the members area. There was something else I wanted to say, it just skipped my mind. But let's dig in. It will come back. It will come back for sure. So my review right below in the description box. The front end, guys, is $27, and you will have the funnel information. As you scroll down, you will see all of that. You see the funnel details. There's a bundle deal as well that saves you money. Or if you want some like specific upsells, you can go via the sort of like the standard funnel. Okay. Now I love this the system that was created by DPapa, because not only that he's just teaching you, showing you how to make money with CPA offers, but also gives you AI page builder, AI analysis. All of the platforms will be also accessible from here. That's what you need to do. That's what you're prompted to do, okay? To hook up those, the platforms that you would be potentially using, okay? Getting the offers from the platforms you would be working with. And then Dimitris has this so-called analysis as well. So this AI that will analyze the offers, that will give you the best angles. It will create a landing page for you. So what I mean by that, it will give you the HTML code that you then can simply, okay, post for free on platforms like Netlify. Very easy, okay, Dimitris explains. And then also it will create traffic assets. So what I mean by that, like all kinds of social media posts beyond, okay, for different social media accounts where you can promote, okay? You can promote them to your list, of course. The traffic is another story always, but you know, you guide it and you taught on how to generate traffic as well, okay? And you will have all of the content needed to create those specific offers, CPA offers that you would pick from these platforms. Okay, so here we are. This is the dashboard, okay? Tutorials here. So hold on, let me just go back to the dashboard first and just here. Yeah, this is like an overview from Dimitris here. This is what you do. It's very clearly laid out. So the whole plan. You first find the offers, then generate content and follow. And there's like a following roadmap, okay? The follow-up to it, CPA challenge, so how the CPA challenge works and how to navigate that. Free traffic, so free traffic methods to drive visitors to your offers, comment and reply generator. Okay, so here we have the strategy here in a few, easy to follow steps. Then you will have the tutorials. So the tutorials, again, are broken down into step-by-step guides to every tool in CommissionOS. So you start here. Well, ideally, if you knew, So you just click the drop down, and here, okay, you first go through the account settings. So you will need to hook up whatever accounts you want to see, like some of the platforms you would have never heard of before: CPA Lead Connection, My Lead Connection, Mobidia Connection, not sure how to pronounce that, but CJ Affiliate Connection, also email autoresponders, if you want to use it for collecting your leads, okay, because you can by all means create an opt-in page as well. And you will need to connect your OpenAI as well, because within the system that Dimitris created, there are also AI tools that will be generating landing pages for you, analyzing the offers and beyond, okay? So first you do that, okay? So this is like a required setup. This is the first step. Then the next step would be finding offers. So you need to first connect those platforms, okay? Well, you don't have to, but it's very convenient because you can then access the platforms from inside of this dashboard, okay? From inside of your members area. So you just scan URL. It's a very, very smart system, okay? I must say that Dimitris has put together. Very fresh. I haven't really reviewed like a decent product on a training course on CPA offers before, so it was interesting for me to go through that as well. Okay, the next step number 2, is the offer analyzer. This is like an AI tool. So, okay, open AI analyzer, but for that to work, you first need to connect it. You would have needed to connect, your chosen CPA offer, and then you just put in your offer URL, and based on that, it will run like a deep analysis for the offer. Okay, right. So then next step would be landing page builder. This is beautiful. Okay, so it will give you like ready to copy and download HTML code, and then you just save it as a template and host it. My suggestion is, and this is what Dimitri suggests as well, on Netlify. It's very easy. Set up a Netlify account. You guide it as well. And you can host it for free. I have so many pages actually hosted on Netlify. I love it. And it like loads super fast. It's just a landing page, so it's static. It's not a dynamic website, right? So yeah, Netlify is just perfect for static websites, pages. And they load ultra fast. So this is the beauty of it. Very good hosting. And yeah, free. They have a very generous free tier. Free tier, right? Okay. And now moving on, what's the other step? So content engine, this is great as well. So enter your campaign details, click generate content, review each content piece, copy and use the content space, audio post. So, you will be prompted to share this content, and that content would be connected with your landing page, right? And of course, prior to that, the AI analysis would analyze the offer and give you the best angle for the landing page and your whatever social media post that you want to create. Okay, and then tracking, tracking is absolutely important, so you have that covered here as well. And after that, okay, there you go. This is the tracking, amazing. And step number 5 is the so-called 7-day roadmap. Right, guys, so these are the tutorials, and from here, like as you can see, there's quite a bit. Okay, some of them would be upsells, as you can see, OTO 3, 2, 4, 5, here the agency. Okay, so all kinds of platforms that you can sign up to. You see a long list. Okay, Dimitris has really done some impressive, really impressive research here, and he's got proofs as well to show you that he's been making not crazy money, because he's been sort of like experimenting with it for a few months himself. And this is what I like. He does it. He shows that it is possible to make money, and then he just teaches you the steps, step-by-step strategy, how to do it yourself. Okay, you just need to put it into action and be consistent with it. How to get approved for, so the complete network approval guide, complete. Like truly, okay? Offer finders, again, for, you just click what platform you want to go to, and then the offer analysis. This is and the page builder. These are the AI tools, but you need API key connected to it for it to work, okay? Then the content engine, it's also like an AI tool that generates promotional content for your offers. Push monetizer, that's OTO number 3, roadmap, the 7-day action plan. Then there's done for you campaigns. Now, if you like all of the upsells, the bundle deal is the way to go because it gives you access to all of the upsells at the discounted price. So do consider that if you feel like, oh, I really like all of the upsells, and ideally I would like to have all of them. So it only makes sense that you would then pick up the bundle deal. Okay, then we have the CPA challenge tracker. Okay, and then for tracking links. Okay, that's good. Tracking is very important, so you know what sells. What platform brings you most traffic and all of that. And free traffic explained as well, so how to generate free traffic from Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook. Okay, how easy it is. So the YouTube, Medium, LinkedIn, and then SEO niche sites. So this is the hard one, takes time for it to pick up organically. Here, if you click on the drop down, you will have the step-by-step strategy. All right. So that's that, guys. Traffic and tools for promoting CPA offers, guys. Check out my written review, which you will find in the description box down below. Check out all of the details. So if you like it, if that's for you, feel free to pick it up from me. If you do, thank you so much. Okay, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.